total package. Wala na akong madagdag. So, can we give a round of applause to our product presenter, si Rem. Ang galing niya, kabisado talaga. Grabe. Ilang araw kaya hindi natulog si Rem. Or normal na sa kanya yun, di ba? And thank you to our BD kasi nga, binigyan din ako ng chance ulit na makapag-chika sa inyo today. Chika tayo until 10. Okay lang naman. 24 hours sa atin. So, thank you, Wilma and Tito Rick for sharing your testimony. Those testimony, guys, are just 2 of the thousands in Manila. How much more in 14 countries that we have offices and branches. Our product is FDA approved in 14 countries. Okay? So if you need the details of the offices that we have, you can go to our official website. Okay? Don't go somewhere else. Para huwag kayong magtanong sa hindi taga-railway. Ibang sasabihin sa inyo. Hindi, huwag kayong magtanong sa hindi nakatake ng 4th year. Okay? So, thank you also to our, of course, sa mga star leaders natin in the room at sa mga nag-invite sa inyo. Can we give them a round of applause? Soon, you will realize that these people who invited you, okay, they are your angels in black coat. At sila din yung mga doctors nyo in black coat. Sorry sa mga doctors. Alam nyo yun, na kapag may leeway sa family nyo, parang may instant doctor kayo. Yes. Ay, ilang dosage mo inumin ko. Ganun, na parang naging instant doctor. But anyway, the very reason why I am here in Riway because of my mother who lost her eyesight due to diabetes. But then, during that time, 2 choices I had kasi bankrupt yung business ko and the cost of 1 bottle, the price of 1 bottle is like 2 to 3 months salary of ordinary Filipino. Yeah. So, that was not my life. Hindi ko pa sariling buhay. Yun na, buhay pa ng parents ko, ng mother ko. But then, I made that bold decision 9 years ago. Okay, so don't question my tabo pa rin ko. 9 years ago. Okay. So, but anyway, okay. Then after, so, I started with the single bottle, that silver account. Kasi dito, guys, that single bottle that I made a decision na inutang ko pa. Kasi hindi naman, kapag ngayon, maybe, okay, while you are listening to the product presentation of Rem, you are thinking na, maybe you're thinking this product is really what I am praying for. Kasi most of you are already tired of eating your medicine 3 times a day, di ba? Or mga food supplements and vitamins. And maybe you think of someone na nangangailangan ng product. Okay? So, we can be angels. So, don't keep that to yourself. You can share and then let them decide. Just what the person who invited you today, they just invited you and then it's up to you to decide. Okay? Remember, reversing aging dyan. Okay? Hindi tayo anti-aging. So, pwede kayong younger in 3 months, in 6 months, like that. Now, okay? Since I got that bottle, okay, inutang ko pa kasi nga, money will not fall on our lap. Majority of us, the problem is wala tayong pera. We wanted the product pero wala tayong pera. Pero hindi hinihintay ang pera. Hinahanap ang pera. May dumadating ba kung makatok sabay? Ito na po yung pera. Diba? Wala. So, you are going to take action. Okay? Ang dami kayong mga stories na naririnig. Ito Marisa. Sino ba yun? Ang dami-dami. Sina Deo and all. Pero sabihin naman ng mga rich kids dyan, parang naman, wala naman ako magandang kwento kasi hindi ako bumuli. Of course, you have other things to look for here in the Riway. But anyway, okay, that is our product. That product, okay, for me, that was my ticket to travel the world. Kasi, when my mother started to recover from her blindness, kasi nga diabetes, ang next thing, ako noon, hindi pa nakainom, kasi nga daming stress and all. 2 choices na meron ako, di ba? So, magbabayad ako ng utang ko or unahin ko ang pera na kinikita ko pambili ng product para sa mother ko to continue. And during that time, ako pa lang ang naniwala sa Cavite. Hindi ko na iniisip yung Cavite. Yung Dasmariñas na lang. So, kailangan mag-isip ako lahat ng mga friends ko puntahan ko. Okay? Para kwentuhan about the product. It's like every day is my deadline. Kailangan today, ma-convince ko, okay, my friend or prospect, kasi my mother needed that product to continue her therapy. Until I started June, punta-punta ako dito, July, August, October, pa ako nakagawa ng paraan. Okay? And then, kasi bakit? Merong naniwala sa na bibili na, so wala pa akong account. Kasi dito guys, we are not selling the product. You heard that, okay? So actually, if you do the business, product is free. Yeah. So what happened? Nung mother ko is okay na, I realized marami palang benefit dito. Marami kang pwedeng perks, okay? So I realized I heard na Singapore dollar palang kitaan dito sa Ringway. So imagine na sa Pilipinas ka, kumikita ka ng Singapore dollar. Okay? So tinabaho ko, napakaswerte ko naman. Kasi ako lang ang una na gumawa nito sa Cavite. Pero what was my challenge? Hindi nila narinig ang stem cell. Kailan lang naging uso ang stem cell? Few years back lang sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa Google. Even yung mga artista, okay, naririnig natin. Pero few years back, during the time, wala pang nakakarinig. So difficult. They are always thinking na this product is just a simple supplement and that is so expensive. So, I still need to continue my rejections. Ang daming rejections, daming iyak. Siyempre, daming iyak. Iniisip ko na lang na kailangan ko lang gawin ito for my mother. Now, maybe you're thinking, siya nga, nanay niya ang may sakit. Ako pa, na sarili ko ang may problema. So, you have to think about that. Bakit? Isa lang yung life natin. Yes. And our body, we use, this is our tool to make money. At our age right now, okay, how much money nang nagawa ng katawan natin? Yes. Ilang anak ang pinag-graduate? Ilang apo ang pinag-birthday? Don't you think you deserve work here? Yes. Hindi pa to closing. Okay, ito pala. Okay, next guys is, nung okay na yung mother ko, nag-focus ako, ang dami pala, may mga pa-event. Ang unang event na na-attend ko sa Singapore was gala. So, lahat 14,000 of people naka-gown. So, paano ako nakasurvive? Kasi ang hirap. So, you know what I did? Kailangan makahanap ako ng isang tao na mabudol, ma-convince na bumili ng 4th year. Okay? Nung bumili sila ng 4th year, the following day, I earned like 27,000. Bumili ako ng maleta, kasama ng sponsor, nag-sponsor sa akin, kaya tinanong kami ng maleta. Bumili kami ng red gown namin, lahat ticket namin and all. Pagdating sa airport ng Singapore, kasi na-delay pa yung Cebu pa, okay, medyo kinausap pa kami ng immigration. First time namin ng travel ulit. Ako na pag-travel na pero before pa. So, nangyari is, kinausap pa kami ng kinausap. Pagdating sa Singapore airport, late na kami sa gala. So, nakakahiya. So, ginawa namin, anyway, wala naman nakakilala sa atin dito sa Singapore. Nagbihis na kami ng red gown namin doon sa airport pala. Nag-taxi kami. Would you believe, ha? Nang laman ng wallet ko was only 250 pesos, just enough to convert into Singapore dollar para makarating sa event. Okay, pagdating ko sa event, sabi ko sa mga teammates ko, may kwarta kayo dyan, makarating tayo sa ating hotel. Sa gulangan, minsan pa-apply natin. Yun ang life namin when we started. Okay? So when we started nga dito, sabi namin, anong sinakyan mo? Ako nag-bus, siya nag-van, siya naman whatever sinakyan, no? Few years back, sabi namin, nung bumibili kami ng gown ng isang friend namin para sa World Trade Center, sabi namin doon sa isa, saan ka nag-park?
Yes.
Yes. Dati, nagtatanungan, anong sinakyan mo? Ngayon, saan ka nag-park? Okay, guys, iniinggit ko kayo. Sabi nga ni CEO, you have to make them jealous or envy so that they will be inspired. Okay? Kung nag-teacher ako, passion ko yon, di ba? Pagiging teacher. Kaya alam mo lang yung mayaman sa teacher. Di ba? Tapos, financial literacy, kailangan natin doon. So, that was a brilliant decision that removed 1,000 problems. Okay? Kung hindi ako nag-decision na noon, when I always wait for something to be better, I feel, if I still wait for something better na mangyari sa buhay ko until I started Reway, then where I am right now. hindi aayos ang buhay natin. Our life will not be better if you will not decision, if you will not make changes today. Okay? So it means, if what you are doing today, what you did today, you will still do tomorrow, you are still in the same group. Tayo mga Pilipino, bare months na ngayon. Excited tayo mag-Pasko, di ba? Last year, ano yung Pasko nyo? Sabihin ko sa inyo, itong mga taga-Riway, i-stock nyo kanilang mga Facebook pagka-December. Ang makita nyo doon, mga bote ng wine, wine, soft drinks, cake, ganyan, prutas, picture. Just for pictorial. Why? Kasi everyday na nilang life yan. Saan kumakain ang mga Riway? Sa mga events nila. Breakfast meeting sa hotel at restaurant. Lunch meeting hanggang gabi. Naranasan ko nung nagpa-fight ako. Parang 3 times ako nasa restaurant. Panggabi, parang water na lang ang i-order ko. Sabi sa na mag-guest, akala ko may kita ba, tubig na lang i-order. Kaya taba natin noon, no? Okay? Hindi pa naka-adjust kasi noon, you know? So ngayon marami tayong learnings. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is, kung noon, tinutuloy-tuloy ko yung passion ko as a teacher, hindi ko ma-experience ang buhay ko na na-experience ko ngayon sa Riway. Before pandemic, ang second passport ko, may 33 trips. Wow! Okay. That was a brilliant decision I made 9 years ago. Okay? So, kung sinabi ko nga doon na walang pera, paano yan, wala. Bakit? Sabi nyo ngayon, ang ganda-ganda ng product natin. Ang question nyo sa sarili nyo, wala kayong pera. Kailan na ba kayo nagka-pera? Yeah. Joke lang. Hindi pa kailangan lang talaga natin mag-desisyon. Okay? So, after pandemic, 2 years tayo sa Zoom, right? I was able to reach people, okay, to connect people, especially in India. I was able to build my team in Europe and Japan. Remember, Riway is international. Your choice. Gusto nyo ba local market or international? It's up to you. So recently, yung Team Elite Pavo ko sa Europe, she made it. Doktor siya, 75-year-old, pero gusto pa rin niya magpavo. And now, kagabi, sabi niya, kailangan ko daw tulungan siya, mag-ayos na naman ng tree niya pang Pegasus. Yeah. So she is 75-year-old. How about us? So yung age is just a number, sabi nila. Remember guys, many of you or maybe you know someone or maybe in your family and relatives na they work their life, all throughout their life up to 60-year-old. They are thinking, at the age of 60, they will get retired. It means, makapagpahinga sila. Tama? Pero what happened? At the age of 60, after nila mag-retire, masakit na ang tuhod. Nanginginig na yung tuhod. Marami na silang maintenance. They already forget their dreams. And then, they realize, their children have their own family to take care. Dati, kayo nagluluto para sa parents nyo or pag hindi pa tayo married, tayo yung nagluluto para sa parents natin. When we get married, we are already taking care of your husband or your wife. Now you leave your parents aging. Nagkakasakit sila because you have your own family to take care. You wanted to give something for your parents, but you don't have enough. Nakakita kayo ng mga pinsan nyo, kung hindi man kayo, na gusto nyo man magbigay, mag-grocery every single month for your parents, pero hindi magawa kasi they don't have enough. And the most painful thing is, you just look at them deteriorating in pain because you cannot do anything. Yun ang image that I don't want to happen to me. Kaya, I'm so thankful na yung company came to the Philippines and Riway was introduced to me right on time when both my parents needed it.
Yes. Yeah.
So, huwag niyo isipin na sana buhay pa si ganito, si ganyan. Bakit ngayon? Ito na sa harap, hindi pa rin kayo mag-desisyon para sa mabuhay yung mga kamag-anak at pamilya, di ba? Bakit pagsisihan yung mga nakaraan, di ba? Hindi naman yun. Okay? So, kahit ano pang gawin nyo. Now, another thing I want you guys to realize is, okay, gusto nyo ba ikwento ko sa inyo kung anong anong kapalaran niyo sa Riway?
Yes.
Huwag kang pumunta sa Quiapo, ako na lang magkwento sa inyo. So, ganito yan. Two things you have choices today. Okay? Whether 1 year ka na pabalik-balik dito kasi inaaral mo pang Riway, sabihin ko sa'yo, hindi ka makagraduate. Tama? Aralin mo muna, friend. Aralin mo muna, ate. Hindi pa ako decided, kailan ka mag-desisyon. Look at your husband, look at your wife, look at your parents. If you still have parents, look at your family. Kontento ba sila sa buhay na meron sila? Kayo ang nakakita ng opportunity. Baka mamaya pag uwi nyo, sabihin nyo sa asawa nyo, ano kaya gawin ko yun? Sabi ng asawa, scam yun, huwag ka. Ganon, di ba? Nakaitim pa ka mo. So, huwag ka doon. So, kayo nakakaalam, kayo mag-desisyon. Mostly sa atin, tayong mga babae ang decision maker. Tayo nga manager, di ba? Tayong boss, tama po. Bakit na? Kasi, may mga babae, when they get married, okay, they forget everything. Kasi they want to take care of their husband, their kids, and all. I always say this, when while your children grow up, you also go old. Ngayon, before you realize it, may mga pamilya na sila, naiwanan ka na, and then wala na. Bakit? Kung kailan ka lang bigyan ng pera, na pang-shopping mo, and all, well, you will be living under the mercy of your husband, of your children and grandchildren. Bakit? Hindi mo napaghandaan ang pagtanda mo. Tama? Now you have that time. You have a chance. One day, you will look back and you will be glad that you made the right decision today. You know what? Di ba ako tapos? Wait. You know what, guys? Okay? Ang company natin 9 years na sa Philippines, I witnessed how many leaders changed their lives because of the decision they made earlier. Sabi nga kanina ni Wilma, 1 year na siya nakapagniligawan. Alam ko, sabi ko sa iba, ito naman, bakit na ba arte-arte? Sige na, go ka na. Ilang country ang napunta ni Marisa.
Yes.
Pero 1 year na doon pa rin. She was just watching Marisa travel. So kung bago kayo ngayon, 1 month, mag-decide na kayo kasi marami kayong ma-enjoy sa Riway. Especially that we will be traveling in October 5. We will attend. The budget of our CEO for Asia event alone is 160 million. 40,000 people. Okay? And for sure, your leaders have, what do you call this? Incentives for you. All you have to do is to do the thing. 1% only. So you cannot make some changes or improvement in your life if tomorrow you are still doing the same thing. Per month, we already lost 259 days of 2025. We only have 106 days left before end of December. How would you celebrate your December? Are you the one giving money to your relatives, nephews, like that? Or are you still the one na, wala, ito lang, pag kinumusta ka, ganun pa rin. So, ganun pa rin yung sagot natin. Remember that today when you woke up, you are 1 day older again. If you still have parents, do Riway fast para ma-experience pa nila ang success.
Yes.
Kasi kung kumikita ka nga dito ng 6 to 7 digit a month, you can give, what do you call this, enjoyment for your family. Your parents, they are happy with the groceries, ipapasyal mo sila habang kaya pa ng tuhod nila, pinapainom mo sila ng pure cheer, mamaya mabilis pa sila sa apo nila makipaghabulan. Kasi bakit? Health is the best gift that you can give to your aged parents. Okay? The good thing here, okay, your membership and this product is your passport to explore the world. Okay? Don't limit yourself. We have more or less 200 countries in the world. Last night sa debrief namin, sabi ni Pavo Doc Vesna, sabi niya, in that event, okay, sa Star Meeting kasi she was invited, okay, na merong Supreme doon. He hit 200 Team Supreme 9 in 2 years. 2 years. Anong ginawa niya? He went to 11 countries. 11 countries, 1 month, 1 country, 1 month, 1 country. In 2 years, he became Team Supreme Pegasus 9 of Europe. Right now, Europe, Riway in Europe is only active in 3 countries. Anytime before end of the year, Budapest office will open. How many countries there are in Europe? 27 countries. Your puhunan, your capital is only your visa. Your Schengen visa, okay, can travel to 27 countries. Anong country ang walang Pilipino? Would you believe na yung mga Pilipino, they are not workers, they are world builders. So tayo ang mga magaling mag-English. Kahit di ko na minsan makapagsalita ng English, naintindihan natin ang English. Kaya mahirap makipag-argue sa member mo, sa apply mo, sa downline mo English speaking. Pag naubusan ka ng English, yes ka na lang, okay. Diba? So, guys, prepare yourself. Railway in this last quarter of 2025, full blast ang railway ngayon. Claudio Ong mentioned that. So, we have to prepare because railway is building us to lead. We are leaders here. We are not sellers. We are not agents or distributors. We want to help mothers who are just living under the mercy of their husband. Because, yeah, love is beautiful, but financial freedom is survival. You can decide if you're going to take a party for your 51st birthday, 52nd birthday, ilang lechon ang bibilhin mo pahanda sa mga blood mo matiyak. Kung may kwarta ka, Singapore dollar ang iyong income. Okay? So you can decide. Gusto ko lahat kayo mag-pink dress sa birthday ko kasi may pera ka. Hindi ka manihingi sa husband mo. You can decide. Do you want a life like that?
Yes.
Then join Railway and then let's travel the world.
Yes.
See you at the top.